There are several ways to hide your data from visibility in your Excel. One way is to change the font color to white. Another one is to change cell formatting. Let me demonstrate the cell formatting part. Click on this cell, press Ctrl 1 to open cell format. Click on number tab, click on custom, and to hide this, you basically put 3 semicolon like this and click on OK. As you can see, it is hidden from visibility, but that data is still in there. What does this 3 semicolon mean? Let me go to a numeric number. So it's because numeric number is easy to explain. You're going to select this cell here, press Ctrl 1 and go custom again and basically type 3 semicolon. The first semicolon pertains to a positive number. The second semicolon pertains to a negative number. And the third semicolon here pertains to a 0 value. So let's say if your cell value has a positive number, you can show a default value of say 246. And if your cell has a negative number, let's say we opt to display a value of 369. And if your cell value has a exactly 0 value, let's say we show the value of 888. And if you click OK, since this is 23 is a positive number, we expect to see 246 value like that. As you can see, it's showing 246, but the actual values in there is actually 23. Let's copy this cell formatting and apply to the rest of the cell here. Negative, 0, and positive number. You can see that the negative number shows 369 as we have defined in our cell formatting, and your 0 value will show a 888, and the positive value again will show a value of 246. But if you apply, take this same formatting here. Let's get rid of the cell formatting here to start off with. Let's put it to general. And let's say if we copy this cell formatting and paste it in here, you can see that it's actually showing a value of a blank. Let's go back to cell formatting by pressing Ctrl 1 on your keyboard. Number tab, you can see it's the exact same cell formatting, and you're wondering why is this blank. Well, the part that I didn't explain is the back part of it. The back part pertains to any text value. Let's say, for example, if you want to show a value, a string value, a default string value, you can basically say double quote, and I'm going to put asterisk, 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 hide, asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. By the way, you don't have to put asterisk in there. I just put it there so that you can see it visibly. So it's double quote, whatever text you want to show, and a double quote. And if you click on OK, it will show you that value. So the last portion of that cell formatting pertains to a string value itself. You can use the same analogy on a numeric value. Let's go in here, and let's say if you have, say, positive number here, you can basically remove this. Instead of showing numeric value, you can put double quote and enter whatever value you want, positive val, and hit enter. Now if you were to copy this cell formatting and paste it to all of this, anywhere that's a positive value, Ctrl 1, it actually shows that value. And for negative value, likewise, you can do the same thing here, and maybe say negative number or whatever. Let's put it down here to indicate number. So if you do this, and you copy the cell formatting and apply to the rest of the cells, you can see anywhere that's a negative number, it will show underscore val. I think I had a typo here. With all this cell formatting, the challenge now becomes, how do we get to see the value of each of this cell? Because they have been replaced with some default value. One way, like we have seen before, is to click on the cell. You can see the value of the cell. But another quick way is to press Ctrl tilde on your keyboard, and it will show you all the numeric value that's actually hidden behind those default value. Now to toggle back to your original spreadsheet or your data table, you press Ctrl tilde again one more time and you're back. Let's say for some reason you don't want any of this formatting and you want to go back to your original cell formatting as in general. Basically highlight the cell that you want to change your format back to, or alternatively you can press Ctrl A to highlight your whole data set table and then press Ctrl Shift tilde, which will bring you back. I've got one last pop quiz before I let you go. If I go in here and press Ctrl Shift tilde, it comes up with a really big number. If you go Ctrl 1 to see, it's actually defined as a general number. So the question here is, what does 34,827 mean in a date value like this? What does it mean? Leave your answer in the comment section.